Pangatlong reason kung bakit hindi muna tayo dapat magbayad ng tax sa Bureau of Internal Revenue is yung tinatawag na new invoicing requirements. Starting 2024, because of our Ease of Paying Taxes Act, wala na po tayong official receipt or OR. Lahat po ng ating sale of goods and services, invoice na ang gagamitin or sales invoice. Dati, until 2023, ang official receipt ay ginagamit para sa sale of service or lease of properties. Ang sales invoice ay ginagamit dati until 2023 para sa sale of goods or properties. So, dalawang resibo yung ginagamit dati until 2023 para sa ating sale of goods and sale of service. Goods, sales invoice, service, official receipt. Pero ngayon 2024 na bago na, under po ng Ease of Paying Tax Act natin. Wala na tayong official receipt as evidence of sale of service. Lahat gagamitin natin ay invoice na for the sale of goods and services. So, yung sale of service natin, invoice na rin ang gagamitin or sales invoice. Okay? However, yung mga old nating na resibo, official receipt unused, na hindi pa nagagamit, pwede pa raw yan i-convert into invoice para magamit natin siya as written document evidencing our sale of goods or services. Yung ating unused na official receipt. So, meron ng conversion requirements. Guguhitan nyo lang, i-strike out nyo lang yung word na official receipt, yung original and duplicate. Tapos, mag-i-stamp kayo ng invoice or sales invoice doon sa unused natin na official receipt. Tapos, magpapasa kayo ng inventory report sa Revenue District Office having jurisdiction over your place of business, head office, or branch on or before July 31, 2024. Okay? Hindi natin alam kung ma-extend siya, pero kung ma-extend yung ating deadline ng submission ng inventory report to convert your unused official receipt into valid sales invoice or invoice, we will announce na lang or update you on our Facebook page and other social media account natin. Kaya i-follow nyo po kami kung hindi pa nyo pa po kami napapollow sa YouTube, sa Facebook, and other social media account natin. Nag-update po tayo doon. Okay? So, wala na po tayong official receipt as evidence of the sale of goods and or services ngayong 2024. Lahat invoice na. Pangalawa, yung mga unused natin na old na official receipt, pwede pa natin siya gamitin as invoice. Basta i-convert lang natin siya. I-strike out natin yung word na official receipt dun sa duplicate and original copies. Stamp natin ng invoice or sales invoice. Tapos magpapasa tayo ng inventory report sa RDO natin having jurisdiction over our place of business, main office, or branch. Ngayon, yung unused natin official receipt, pwede naman daw natin siya gamitin as supporting document. Pag sinabing supporting document, proof lang siya ng collection but not sales. So, for collection purposes lang siya ng money but not sales. If you want to use your unused OR as supporting document. Kung gusto nyo gamitin as supporting document, hindi natin kailangan magpasa ng inventory report sa BIR. So, gagawin nyo, tatatakan nyo lang siya ng this document is not valid for claim of input tax. Under po yan ang Revenue Regulation Number 7, 2024, as amended by the Revenue Regulation Number 11, Series of 2024. Kung nag-issue kayo ng official receipt as evidence of your sale of service ngayong 2024, maaaring magkaroon kayo ng violation sa Bureau of Internal Revenue at magkaroon ng samot-saring penalties na minimum 1,000 pesos. Minimum 1,000 pesos. Bawat failure to issue a valid invoice. Kasi lahat invoice na. Okay? Lahat invoice na tayo. Okay? So, however, pwede nyo i-convert yung mga luma nyong resibo basta guhitan nyo lang. Tapos, stamp. Tapos, pasa ng inventory report. On or before July 31, 2024. If merong extension, we will announce on our social media. Please follow us para ma-update din po kayo namin. Okay? So, those are the 3 reasons kung bakit hindi mo na kayo dapat magbayad ng tax sa Bureau of Internal Revenue. Number 1, the income tax regime. 8%, 40% or itemized deduction. Number 2 is the file and pay anywhere. Wala tayong file anywhere kasi file lang tayo electronically, EFPS or EBIR. Wala na tayong manual filing unless merong tax advisory from the BIR allowing us to manual filing our tax return. And number 3, the new invoicing requirement ng Bureau of Internal Revenue under po ng Ease of Paying Taxes Act starting 2024. Wala na po tayong official receipt. Lahat invoice na or sales invoice or service invoice or billing invoice, depende kung paano siya gagamitin. Pero we strongly recommend na yung inyong resibo, pangalanan nyo na lang ng sales invoice kasi nag-issue kayo ng invoice dahil may sales kayo. Okay? Sales invoice na lang gamitin yung pangalan ng resibo ninyo. Okay? So, until 2023 na lang yung pag-i-issue ng official receipt for the sale of services. Ngayon, 2024, lahat invoice na or sales invoice. Yung mga luma nating resibo, unused na official receipt, pwede pa natin siya gamitin as invoice basta i-convert natin siya correctly, strike out, stamp, tapos report, inventory report. Para sa mga unused na official receipt na gagamitin mo as valid na invoice. Okay? So, if you want to learn more how to effectively conduct the tax planning strategies sa inyong business para mapababa nyo yung tax nyo, legally speaking, meron po tayo upcoming seminar para sa effective tax planning and reduction tax strategies. Makikita nyo po ito sa ating website, atcbebe.com, o kaya sa ating Facebook page, Accounting Tutorial Center. Nandun po yung schedule ng ating seminar online, kung malayo kayo, or face-to-face, kung malapit kayo doon sa lugar ng ating face-to-face na seminar. So, you may visit us on our website, atcbebe.com. Nandun po yung mga upcoming nating seminar, kagaya ng ating tax planning. O kaya naman ay face-to-face, kung gusto nyo kung malapit na kayo doon sa lugar ng ating venue. Okay? Okay, message nyo po kami sa Facebook page natin, Accounting Tutorial Center, para masend namin yung details sa inyo ng ating tax planning and other topics ng ating seminar. Okay?